Alright, well, I'm going to do a little cold start here for all them hillbillies that like them so much. So, if it'll start. Alright. Alright, well, I killed a little bit of wood today. There's more wood up there, but it's a couple 100 feet away, and I don't want to walk all the way up there again. Loading up for another load. I finally got the saw working right. I don't want to stay in tune, so I have to tune it back up every time I want to use it, unless it's just being generous for me. This is a 26-inch piece of wood. It's got a little hole in it, but don't let that fool you that it's not sharp, or that's not big. So come here, Tinkerbell. So she won't stay there, but so